About lost my fingers there. Just about lost my fingers there. It was a close one. Do it. In that box here. Oh, you got the sign. Yeah. Day 2. Let's go for a quick walk around here. Hi. How goes it?
Let's go. I'm still next to one.
Really?
Yeah.
I think in the future, if we see that we got a corner booth, we should figure out a way to connect this one and that one like that and put it in the corner. That way it's more like open to people coming in. Because I think this wall here really kind of hurts us.
Yeah.
Or maybe not even do any walls at all and maybe just do tables with stuff laid out on it.
Yeah.
If we were to do that though, I would invest in like a real nice printed backdrop sort of thing with all our info on it and whatnot. I think that could look more inviting, so to speak.
Yeah.
Should have brought the microphones. We could have done a live stream. Have to try and go up there and get some footage of the live music, maybe.
Yeah. I can't even remember who it was they were having in here for.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Some girl.
Yeah. Nobody like big.
Sure, it's a local artist.
Yeah.
I don't know if she played any of her own songs last night, but when I was up there getting coffee and stuff, she was doing Miranda Lambert songs.
Yeah.
I've got some other ideas.
Yeah.
If I text you a link from the X-Tool website or app, will it open on your phone?
Like the design?
Yeah.
I think so.
I just airdropped it to you.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Would that need to be converted?
What do you mean?
Because it's a picture
Yeah.
with print over it. Let me see, did it? Can you see it?
What'd you send me? Because that's what opened up. That's not.
No.
Let me try and open it up again here. Okay, yeah. I must have just had that open. Okay, so what were you asking then?
That's just a picture I downloaded off of Google.
Yeah.
Would that need to be cleaned up?
Depends on how high quality it is.
Because it would need to be about the size of the angry woman sign, maybe a little bigger.
Yeah. Did you add the text? Or is that part of the picture?
I added the text.
Yeah, I think since we're committed to the other two of these, it may not be a bad idea to do a run of shirts to sell as well.
Yeah.
I mean, unless you don't think, but
No,
You got some
thanks.
intricate work.
Thank you.
thank you.
I like the shirt.
Oh, thank you.
My wife can never figure out how to pronounce it.
Where are you guys from?
Springfield.
Okay, so you have driven a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep.
I grew up in this town, and like you know, nobody knows how to say it.
Yeah.
And I
Well, she's-
finally got the T-shirt, and I thought, you should wear this.
Yeah,
There you
she's
go.
from up by Fort Wayne, Indiana, so she'd never heard of it before. It was like, how do you pronounce that? Been in Ohio 6 years now, and she still can't pronounce it.
But you know, we don't even say the whole word. Around here, you just say Wapak.
Yep. Yeah.
You know, and if anybody makes you say the whole thing, it was hard to figure out until you started seeing Wapak, which is W-A-P-A-K,
Yeah.
and then it's one and ta.
Yeah.
So it's not hard to spell once you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, no, you're right. I just was telling them they had some very intricate work. I was like,
Grandpa was his picture here, it's all black and white. And real beers hanging. Time was up, 1935, that was me. The judges trying to survive. Raise pressure. But it looks like we're
it too low on your ears?
What?
That.
It does if I squish it down. But it's not too bad.
Midget.
Yeah. Well, there's that. Do what?
Say something stupid.
Would have been edited out anyway. Unless it was funny. Not quite as expected, I guess. Win some, you lose some. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this event. We stopped off here at Speedway, just left. Didn't go quite as well as we had hoped, but it's just how things are, you know. We have 2 more events that we are going to be at that are put on by these same people, Mayberry Market. But they're not until later in the year. We're gonna have a few months off here as far as events go, not off the channel or anything. But yeah, gonna end this video here. We had fun regardless. Look at that nerd.